Hola, buenos días. Hoy is today. Quiero is I want. And hablar is to speak. Hoy quiero hablar de la pronunciación. And you can guess what la pronunciación is. It's pronunciation. En español, if you get a double L, that makes a y sound. So the word for bottle, if we got on here, look, is botella. I'll show you how it's written. It's like this. Bo-tay-ya. So that double L makes a y sound every time, which is nice. Una botella de leche is a bottle of milk. Una botella de zumo de naranja, that's a bottle of orange juice. Or una botella de agua con gas, and that's fizzy water. You could go to el mercado, the market, with this lenguaje, and you could have una conversación to buy these things. Algo más is anything else. Nada más is nothing else. And cuánto es is how much is it. So you could do una conversación like this. Escucha. Hola. We'll have this as one person. Hola, buenos días. Hola, quiero una botella de leche. ¿Algo más? Sí, quiero una botella de agua con gas. ¿Algo más? Sí, quiero una botella de zumo de naranja. ¿Algo más? Nada más. ¿Cuánto es? 10 euros. Gracias. Adiós. Hasta mañana. You could do un diálogo like that, en mi opinión. So, record yourself. You can either do it writing on papel, or you can make a little video. If you click the link on the comments below, you can join the Facebook group, post your video, post your written conversación on that Facebook group. It's called 100 Days of Spanish. And if you want to move on to the next class, just click the video link here. And I'll see you tomorrow, which is hasta mañana. Hasta mañana. Adiós.